Right now, he thinks that like 75 to 80% of the code can be developed using AI. And by the end of the year, he thinks 100% of it can be done where AI is writing its own code.
So, Bill, historically, let's face it, America gets crazed when new technologies come. People fear that technologies will disrupt and eliminate jobs. We've seen that historically, whether it's been with the advent of the automobile and beyond. What do you think is going to happen here as you go a little bit deeper into the job landscape? Which sectors do you anticipate will lose jobs?
Well, I think the white collar sector is the most vulnerable. And the CEO of Claude, they're a very credible guy, and he said that right now he thinks that like 75 to 80% of the code can be developed using AI. And by the end of the year, he thinks 100% of it can be done where AI is, writing its own code. And so what that does for people, and I've talked with some people yesterday who are in that industry, and they say, yeah, the people who've got the code writing talent are out of work now, and they're trying to figure out a way to find something else to do. So I think, and then as I mentioned, the accounting industry is going to be affected. The legal profession is going to be affected.
I agree.
I think actually the mental health profession is going to have a very interesting
I agree.
competitor because you can sit with Claude or ChatGPT or any one of these things and start asking questions and tell them about this or that. Next thing you know, they're providing counseling. So,
Bill,
so
I got to tell you, I have a business colleague who he and his wife have agreed to use ChatGPT to resolve their marital issues.
I think that's
Literally.
I think why not? I mean, if we think about it, what have these AI companies done? And you write about it in your book. They've basically surveyed the planet and they've captured every single word that's ever been written on a topic by
Right.
everyone. And so if you survey the mental health literature and the counseling literature, they're going to have access to the best thinking about what works and what doesn't work. And but we both know is if you got to prompt the AI with the right questions and you got to deal with it so you get answers that are useful. And there are a lot of biases built into AI, but I think they're on the right track. And so in the marriage counseling business, maybe another one that's likely to be threatened.